Striata's layout editor makes creating awesome email templates quick and easy. To succeed in today's digital environment, you need to be nimble and quick to market. You need fast turnaround times on email campaigns, control over your digital identity, quick and easy ways to insert copy and images, and a no-fuss testing process. We can help you achieve all of this. Introducing Layout Editor. Layout Editor gives digital marketing managers the ability to create email templates with full control over the generation process. Why use this tool? Layout Editor lets you be the master of your own lead times. By generating mobile-optimized email and web templates, reducing your need for design and coding skills, managing your digital identity through preset layouts, limiting who is allowed to edit or amend templates, and enforcing email best practice through theme definition. How to use Striata's Layout Editor. To get you started, Striata designs a variety of layouts based on your requirements brief and visual identity. Collectively, these layouts comprise a theme and are pre-tested across email clients. Striata uploads the theme into Layout Editor. When you want to send a campaign, you select a layout from the available themes. You populate the copy and image sections with your content. You can review the draft email to make sure it's perfect. And congratulations! You have created your email and can now build and send your campaign. For more information, contact Striata today.